Looking to save money quickly? Without adopting a minimalist lifestyle or sacrificing your beloved morning coffee? Then you're in the right spot. Welcome to Money Gainers Hub, the channel where smart money moves become simple. We break down personal finance wisdom, including earning, saving, wealth building, and investing into powerful and practical tips, so you can make smarter money moves fast. Grab your notebook, get focused, and let's unlock your next financial breakthrough starting right now. These 10 actionable, psychology-based strategies will guide you to accumulate significant savings, even without feeling deprived or overwhelmed. What is saving without sacrificing? Many believe that saving requires eliminating all enjoyable activities like dining out or shopping. However, this mindset can undermine motivation. In reality, implementing small, consistent actions can result in substantial gains. Hence, the focus should be on progress rather than perfection. Here are 10 approaches you can implement today to save money without overhauling your entire lifestyle. Approach number 1, automate your savings. So what is the top recommendation? Make saving an automatic process. Consider arranging a recurring transfer, even if it's just $3 or $5 daily, from your checking account to a high-yield savings account. You won't even notice it's gone, but within 3 months, that could total $300 to $500 saved seamlessly. Pro tip, rename your savings account with something inspiring, like Freedom Fund or Dream Trip, because psychological impact is significant. Approach number 2. Implement the 24-hour rule. Impulsive spending can silently sabotage your budget. The 24-hour rule is both simple and effective. So, wait 24 hours before purchasing non-essential items. Add it to your cart and revisit later. You may find you no longer desire it or discover a better use for that money. Approach number 3. Eliminate hidden subscriptions. How many subscriptions are silently depleting your finances each month? Maybe Spotify, Netflix, gym memberships, or delivery services. So take a mere 10 minutes to review your last 2 bank statements. Cancel anything not used in the past 30 days. Apps like Rocket Money or Truebill can assist you in identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions. Approach number 4. Use cashback and rewards effectively. There's nothing wrong with spending as long as you do it wisely. Utilize cashback platforms such as Rakuten, Honey, or Shopback when shopping online. If you're disciplined with credit, opt for cards providing cashback or rewards. However, only spend what you can fully repay, because rewards aren't worth running into debt. Approach number 5. Plan your meals and cook at home. Takeout is enticing yet costly. Spending $15 here and there quickly adds up. Consider planning 4 to 5 straightforward meals for the week. Use a shopping list, batch cook, and save leftovers. Even preparing 2 extra meals weekly can save $100 a month. Tools like MeLime or Paprika can assist you in meal planning based on your budget and dietary preferences. Approach number 6. Engage in a no-spend challenge. No-spend challenges are excellent for resetting your mindset. Select a time frame, perhaps a weekend or a full week, in which you refrain from spending beyond essential needs. That entails no online shopping, no coffee runs, and no food delivery. You'll come to recognize how frequently you shop out of boredom, stress, or habit. Approach number 7. Sell unused items. Look around your home for what items are merely gathering dust. Sell unnecessary electronics, furniture, or clothes on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Depop, or eBay. Even old cables or tech gadgets can fetch $10 or $30 each. A single weekend of decluttering could yield $200 to $500 quickly. Approach number 8. Switch and negotiate your providers. Loyalty doesn't always offer financial benefits, especially with utility or insurance providers. Annually compare rates for internet, mobile, and car insurance. Utilize tools like Compare the Market, Finder, or iSelect. Contact your current provider and say, "I've found a better deal. Can you match it?" You may be surprised by how often they comply. Approach number 9. Establish clear and visual savings goals. Vague goals lack motivation. Specific goals inspire action. Instead of stating, "I want to save money," declare, "I aim to save $600 for a weekend trip in 4 months." Then break this down into monthly targets. $150 per month or $5 daily. Utilize a visual tracker to maintain motivation. Approach number 10. Track every dollar just for a week. Awareness leads to control. Hence, most overlook how much they spend on minor items. For just 1 week, track every dollar. Use apps like Buddy or Money Brilliant or even a simple notepad. You'll start identifying spending patterns, and once recognized, you can make changes. Saving doesn't necessitate suffering. You don't have to eliminate everything. Start small, remain consistent, and make a few better choices each day. Consider automating your savings, canceling unnecessary services, and conducting a no-spend weekend. You'll generate momentum rapidly, and that's where real transformation occurs. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Be sure to check our next video on how to create multiple income streams in your spare time.